Hi everyone, hope you are doing good. Myself is Kasturi, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, SNS College of Technology. So this video is all about what is SNS roadmap. So we are going to see. So SNS roadmap. So the SNS roadmap isn't just a path. It's a journey of purpose, progress and patience. Our focused vision is to build an entrepreneurial mindset through our design thinking framework, and we are working on 1000 AI startups as a 10-year mission. Our guiding motto is sincerity, nobility, and service. What we stand for is redesigning common mind and business towards excellence. Our excellence policy is quality education is not about teaching exceptionally talented students alone, but it's all about teaching all kind of learners to produce an exceptional work. So we are proud that our SNS is the first Indian institution to implement and patent design thinking framework. So what do you know by design thinking? So design thinking is nothing but it is an engine drives the education here. And design thinking is a human-centered, iterative, problem-solving approach. It mainly focuses on understanding user needs, redefining problems, and creating innovative solutions through the five phases like empathy, define, ideate, prototype, and test. So we are going to see about this in a short. So empathize means to deeply understand the problem. Okay, so after gathering insights in the empathize phase through interviews or feedbacks or forms, the next step is to clearly define the problem. So next, in the phase of ideate, we brainstorm as many potential solutions as possible, often thinking outside the box too. So the next step is turning our ideas into tangible prototypes or models. Finally, we test our prototype with real users to get the feedback. Okay. At SNS, we chart a path of continuous growth, embracing innovation, integrity, and excellence, empowering minds, shaping futures, and creating a legacy of positive impact. Okay, so now we are going to see about the SNS roadmap. So the first stage mainly focuses on overcoming these challenges and finding better ways to think. So when the student enter into the new environment, the beginning is always tough, so filled with confusion and friction. Every great journey starts with chaos. That's where growth begins. In the traditional method of thinking, we all start by doing things as usual way, but learning to stand out. Here, we implementing the design thinking concept. So, design thinking is nothing but a human-centered approach to innovation where creativity meets problem solving. In short, think with empathy, design with logic, and build for people. So, this is what we are done in the first year. And in the second stage, building strong values and systems. So this stage sets up the culture and structure for sustainable progress. So we are implementing 3P culture here, focuses on purpose. What is the purpose of studying and process, what are the processes involved and the pupil, the final goal. So when people and the purpose align through process, culture thrives. Next, we are implementing 3C framework. So based on attitude, logic and technique. As the right attitude, logical thinking and strong technique form the foundation of excellence. And here we are implementing the 5 pillar activity, encourages learning through CLT, that is Center for Learning and Teaching, and upskilling for skills and career development, and CFC innovation, Center for Creativity, and IIPC, and the SRI activity. So keep learning, keep growing, and keep connecting. Next, we are implementing SPINE. So in order to promote health, hobbies, and sports across the clubs, a strong mind needs a strong body and joyful balance. The third stage is turning ideas into impact. So this stage drives learning, experimentation, and industry level innovation. So innovation in the sense 7 plus 7, we are utilizing here 7 industry verticals solved by 7 technologies. So in order to collaborate across industries to create smarter solutions. Gen AI enablement. So mainly focuses on AI learning through teaching, roadmaps, projects and hackathons. AI is not the future, it's today's essential tool for creation. Next one is the certified talents. Certification across IT, business, engineering and health fields. Skill, certify and lead the change. The final stage is achieving and sustaining excellence. So this stage celebrates goals, achievements and the mindset for lifelong growth. We are implementing smart OKR goals here. So using gamification to achieve specific, measurable, achievable, relevant and time-bound goals. Goals become fun when achievement feels like a game. Excellence. So we are focusing on a steady progressive achievement. So excellence is not an act but a habit of progress. So 1000 AI startups, a 10-year mission to create 1000 AI powered startups. Dream big, build smart, 1000 startups, one mission. Growth mindset. When combining design thinking and AI for continuous learning, a mindset turns every challenges into a new possibility. So while summarizing, start with creativity, build a strong culture, drive innovation and achieve excellence, all powered by AI and human-centered thinking. So with design thinking, providing the logical approach and AI enabling scale, the 1000 startup mission is not just a dream, it is achievable one. So next, the general guidelines to the students in my perspective, I want to share and be with positive mindset at all the situations, whatever the situation it may be with positive mindset. Okay. Then be focused on your vision. No deviation and set small missions to achieve your goal. So towards your goal, you have to work. Be a self-motivated and confident person. So you need not a third person to motivate you. You have to motivate yourself. The next one is the be with integrity in actions and speech. Okay, even you are in a you are not in under surveillance of other people. You have to be with purity one or integrity with. Be with purity in heart and mind. So be a problem solver. Okay, so design thinking concept is nothing but it is a problem solving approach. Okay, so next one is the be with a grateful heart. So always thank to the God for the opportunities He has given. And finally, you will achieve what you have focused. Okay. I hope this video will explain about the SNS roadmap clearly.